to my channel, Haitian Dining with Marie. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make banana bouilli, also known as boiled plantain. But before we get started, please hit the subscribe button below and let's get started. Here are today's ingredients. 6 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 large green plantain, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Now, I'm bringing the pan to begin the boiling process. While the water is boiling, I'm cutting the ends. After that, I slit underneath of the plantain skin. After a couple minutes has passed, I added lemon juice and salt to the water. The lemon juice prevents discoloration. After 20 minutes of cooking, I will remove the skin. Ten minutes later, I will turn the stove off and add cold water to the plantain to keep it moist. I'm cleaning the outside of the plantain before serving. This is mouth-watering deliciousness. Bon appétit! Thank you everybody for watching my video. I hope you enjoy it. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below of what Haitian dish I should do next time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.